Here's that same Cessna flying across the two-story house. So he came from somewhere behind 24092 and just crossed right here. So I think the new excuse is that it's not a police Cessna anymore, it's just a civilian. So he's just come out right here, revving really loudly. Making a right turn now, straight towards Geronimo. Slight drop. So he was doing single slight drops. There's another one. There's another one. Now he's stalled up and made a left turn and a right. He's still kind of descending. So it looks like he's like shifting and descending. So it's a cover up to say that it's a civilian now and it's not a police plane. So he's still descending out there, far out now. And just left shift, I just saw one.